Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Eric FNP's Bike Check channel, where bicycles are individually owned and no sponsorship deals in this channel whatsoever. Just everybody having a good time, showing off their bikes and letting other people in the world to see how their bike may eventually look like. So today this is my own bike. It's the Scott Spark 950 Contessa. However, just wanted to dispel the gender specific geometry and everything else. You may call me a woman, but fortunately this bike rides very well on me. I absolutely love this bike. So we'll do a randomly quick bike check and go through all the parts. This is not fully stock. I customized it slightly, starting from the wheel set. Those are with E13s as well as Hope 4 hubs. Hub set front and back, 28 holes. The fork actually used to be a Judy Silver, if I'm not wrong, but I decided to go for this SR Suntour Axon 34 with the new PCS system. It's not exactly very cheap, but personally, the feel, it's up there with the rest of them. Yeah, maybe not as light as your Fox Stepcast or your Pike, but it is reasonably light for a so-called secondary brand. And moving downwards, we are looking at the X-Fusion Nuke shock. So it's actually cable actuated with the twin lock system. As I mentioned to you guys before, we love our Race Face Next SL carbon cranks over here. A little bit of bling there. GX 12 speed. E13 comes with the Hope again. Minion SS for my rear and DHF for my front. Well, trivia time, I don't know whether you know, but DHR and DHF does not stand for rear nor front. DHR stands for race, F stands for free ride, and that's why same thread, different weight, tougher on the F. So that is my rear hub setup. If you can see, the rotors are also from China, however. Very similar to the Jaguar rotors which I had before. A lot of people are saying that it may not bite as well. I'm not saying that it does bite extremely well. It does what it needs to do. However, maybe the brakes need to be upgraded, because I'm just using your regular type R's. So there is a bit of a gib when you brake actually. Yeah. This is the Syncross Dropper, comes with. You can see it there, you can. There you go. It's the stock one, nothing fancy. I decided to go for the Nukeproof downhill saddle because of its color coordination. There's a little bit of gray underneath, and there is also some gray at the bike. There you go. Sorry, it's taking a bit longer to focus. And I thought the twin lock system could be a pain initially, but after using it, it's actually quite good. I like it. I think it's quite nice. Very intuitive, and it's not so cramped up as well on the cockpit. However, the cables are, well, this looks like a spider web. I'm not too sure how Scott will rectify that, but I think it still is acceptable. But then again, hey, whoever says shit about their own bikes, right? Next, Race Face carbon handlebar as well as a turbine stem, and I upgraded the headset to a wrist headset with seat bearings instead of the original stock, God knows what it came with. So in a nutshell, everything does not come 100% stock. It's got bits and pieces all over the place, you know, upgrade. So the base price of the bike actually is not very expensive, but after doing everything all up, it does add up. Well, anyways, just to highlight to you as well, this is a 141 rear boost. So not like your 148 boost rear. It's a 141, meaning it's still using a QR system, right? Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. There are not many videos on the Scott Spark regular bikes by regular folks, you know, going around. So I hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, and hope to see you soon. Take care all the way from Singapore. Stay safe as well as be socially responsible.